Hello, my name is Diego, and today we're going to talk about one of the most significant global events in our time, the COVID-19 pandemic. It all began in 2019 when a new coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, China. Within months, the virus had spread across the world, leading to lockdowns, overwhelmed hospitals, and millions of lives lost. The pandemic changed the way we live, work, and connect with others, marking one of the biggest health and social challenges in modern history. There are three key aspects of the COVID-19 pandemic that stand out the most. First, the public health crisis. Health systems were unprepared for such a massive outbreak. Hospitals lacked supplies, and healthcare workers faced extreme pressure. Second, the economic impact. Businesses shut down, unemployment rates soared, and economies around the world struggled to recover. Third, the social and psychological consequences. Isolation, fear, and uncertainty affected people's mental health, changing how we interact and view community support. If I could have done things differently, I would have focused on three really important aspects. The first one was a better response and communication of the virus. Maybe clear information and quicker action could have prevented misinformation and panic. I remember that in my case, at the beginning of the pandemic, we were told that it will only last 2 weeks and that we'll be back to our normal lives. That 2 weeks were 2 years. So yeah, if we had enough information and more clearer information, we will have acted differently. The second one, and I think one of the most important one, is the support of the healthcare system, because many healthcare systems collapsed and many medical workers didn't have enough supplies or were under constantly pressure of their victims. So yeah, I think that was one of the most important things, one of the most important aspects that we should have focused and that I will have done differently. And the third one, which is important too, was the mental health care, because isolation really affected us on the pandemic. We had the Zoom classes, the Zoom meetings, and we were not prepared for that. So yeah, isolation really affected on our mental health care. These changes had been made, the world could have faced the pandemic with more unity, less fear and fewer losses. Future generations could learn the importance of preparation, empathy, and science in solving global challenges. Well, my wish for the future is that humanity continue to grow stronger from this experience, building a world where health, compassion, and cooperation come before anything else. And this will be it for this video. Thank you.